Hey, it's my real name is Tanner, but you're gonna hear me be called Radar. In further videos, I'm gonna make a lot more than this. So, this is just who I am. I was pretty much just really good. I didn't cuss at all until 9, when my parents divorced and my mom married my stepdad, Joe. I learned how to manage myself and do work all by myself. And well, one of my favorite things to do is, make videos and play video games, and you're gonna see me playing video games in the future. So, until then, I'm Radar, signing out.